Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you're having a great day so far, and look what I got in the mail. Something from Inspire Me Crate. So I'm gonna open this now, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Now let's see what's inside. Woo! Okay, now we're inside. We have this pack right here. We have some booklets. Here we have all the stuff. Here you have the sticker, the Inspire Me Crate sticker, and you get this mini sketchbook. And it's small, so it's easy to fill, but at the same time you can use it for animation. Flip animation. And I also get this pencil, this Tombow pencil. Come on, focus. There we go. I've only used Staedtler, so it's going to be interesting to try something new and to test this one out. So yeah. Then we have this warm-up booklet, which they show different ways you can warm up and different exercises and different challenges and how to draw stuff. So yeah, interesting. Then last but not least, we have this creativity booklet. Now in this booklet, the goal is to be inspired and to get new ideas and to brainstorm and stuff like that. And they even have a featured artist in every booklet. So thank you to Inspire Me Crate for sending me this. Just thank you, it was a lot of fun, and I will be featured in their booklet for December. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you guys when I get the booklet.